Hello. You might notice that I'm filming this from a different location. Yes, I am being forced to film this in a different location now. The reason being that not only did my country decide to punish me with no electricity, but it also decided to punish me with no water. So now that there's no water, the library is also closed. Um, and there's probably nothing I can do about it. Like it just, it is what it is. But it's kind of sad. Like I have to say, it's sad, but at the same time, I understand. Most things in life don't really go your way, and I just like this is just something that I have to come to terms with, and I have to just understand that yeah, this is the case. This is the way things are. So I'm okay with it. But I still managed to get a ton of shit done because that's just how I roll. Managed to finish the lead management, basically the lead gen and the lead qualification systems. I'm marketing those as we speak. I'm about to post a video to YouTube. Um, I'm about to post a video to YouTube, and basically, what it's going to be detailing. Like it's just a not a promo, but it is like since I don't really have Loom, I'm just gonna be posting this kind of video. So yeah, um, I'm looking forward to like seeing how people respond to it. It should be very interesting. I'm also going to be sending a link to that video to certain people who wanted to like see that type of content. So very excited to see how that goes. But yeah, like as you can tell, I am deep in this space. Bro. Look at this, like the type of content that I'm seeing on recommended on my YouTube is fucking crazy. But yeah, I'm very deep in here. Let's go to YouTube Studios. I have to set up the title in the description. I want to make them as simple as possible. Maybe a bit clickbaity. I don't know, something like Legions and everything is simple. Um, I'll add some numbers because like numbers perform well when it comes to marketing. Like saved 2 hours or something. No, actually, it's much better if I put like a cash because people respond more readily to cash values than anything else. Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that. You're gonna watch me do it, basically. Um, Let me tell you about my day. So my day was a bit interesting today. You know, in the morning I wrote the newsletter. Newsletter is growing steadily. I still like because I remember I told you about the automation that I built that could take. So anyone who buys my templates, I could just sort of take their information, their email that they use to buy, and then just put it in there. Um, I'm gonna be running that maybe tomorrow because right now my the list of people that I have on my Substack is about like 27ish, and that's only because I keep deleting people. People who don't engage they get deleted, unfortunately, and it's only because they're not really contributing anything much anyway. Right? I want to only include people who genuinely like want to read my content. Um, Beyond this, I've been like hard at work when it comes to X. So X has been like growing very steadily, and not growing, but like I'm trying to engage more naturally in a way that actually makes sense. Um, while also showing off my systems as well, because yeah, that is just like who I've become. Like I've gone from content automation to systems builder. And I'm glad I'm doing this because it's for one thing it's way more high value. Second thing, it makes much more sense. Like it's more scalable. Um, so Legion has never been this easy. I'll add some crazy number here. And I'm kind of like I'm keeping my descriptions like very simple. I don't really have too much to say with regards to this. I mean, yeah, no, because like this is just a promo video. Like I could just I could link them to something. Maybe I could always like change this in the future. Maybe let's do that. But yeah, um, for now I'll just tell them that I hope that they enjoyed the video. Okay, this is fine. Um, Next, I'm going to set up the playlist. It's just going to be like the information bits, and then yeah, everything is fine. Otherwise, no, this is not altered content, unfortunately. But yeah, um, so after writing the newsletter, I did some more work. By work, I mean like working on my systems, and then I also did a ton of work for the website, which is finally being hosted on my website. So it's alchemy.techfusionbridges.com. I mean .xyz. I mean, very cool, very important. I had to set that up because that's the website that's going on every platform. So like X and all that stuff. Whenever someone asks me for my website, I'm just going to be showing them that, not the profile. The profile is just for me. Um, but yeah, very useful that I set all of this up. I'm actually going to copy this and then I'm going to send it to a guy. I'm also going to send it to another guy. So there's two guys who want to see something like this. Um, and we'll see how that goes. No, like I'm not really hoping for anything. I'm just like, whatever happens, happens. And what's important is to do the work, right? To show yourself out there. That's the most important thing I feel. Um, and that's why, like, no matter what happens around me, no matter what, you know, like, cause like I had no electricity at home, so I had to like go to my sister's place. So thank you to her. But yeah, like no matter what happens, I just have to keep going because I understand that there really is no choice. Like you have to keep going. This guy's so funny. But yeah, I guess I'll send him the link like later on. Let me save it somewhere or not. So yeah, okay. Okay. And yeah, that was it for me. Thank you for watching. I don't really have too much to say. I'll check you tomorrow.